these yesterday at the Dollar Tree, and I don't know when that haul is going to happen, so you'll see this in a haul. Might be before this video, it might be after this video. Just don't know. I've never seen these. I've seen them in hauls, and they come and go over the years. I never grab them. They're for the makeup. They're, you know, they were over by the nail polish and that stuff, and I'll give you the item number in case you wanted to look for it. This way you have it. And there's another item number down there. So I bought these thinking, okay, so I know that they're a stickle. Like I say Mod Podge, I say Mod Podge. Wasn't that a game when we were kids? Mod Podge? I know that you should store them like this so that they're easier to use, but I didn't want to spend the money on the holder, so I thought I would try this. That I thought maybe I'd be given as a gift, but I think I'm gifting it to myself. Yep, gifting it to myself. And now I'm going to make a cute little spot on my desk to hold my things. If I were that crazy, I would be like creating a little thing out of, which I could do, out of styrofoam, making little cubes so that the stickles, that might be an up-and-coming video, guys, you just never know. If I make little holders to hold these upside down. Could you imagine? That would definitely be design on $1. Design on $1. So I think I'm going to try to make the cubes for in here. We're going to do a test run. I'm going to videotape it just in case it works. What do we have to do to... Oh, look at that! Can you see it? Ha! Woohoo! Yeah! Let's do this. Let me get my ruler. Alright, so this is what I'm doing. I'm actually using my Tim Holtz ruler. And it's so easy because I could see what a 1x1... Let's put it that way. Because of the grid, I can see where 1x1 is. So, let's try this again. Using my Cutco knife, and I'm just going to go down. Oh, wow. Let's see. This is so nice. I'm just going to trim this one up just a tad bit. And we'll stick that in there. Look at that! Oh, wow. Check it out, baby. I am beyond excited. Silly things, man. Silly, silly things. Let's see if we can make this 1 inch. Alright, we have to trim some of this. Oh, this is so cool. I really do. Well, I didn't think... This is going to sound funny. Let me stay on target. I didn't think I had a... I usually don't. I'm gonna laugh. I don't usually have a sound issue with things. Like if somebody's chewing on chips or opening a bag of potato chips, you know, that sound. Or, I'll give you a little secret. Vinny, my youngest, if you're stirring something in a plastic bowl, it freaks him out. And I laugh at that, the poor kid. He's like, can't you just use a glass bowl? And I'm like, so I've gotten used to using glass bowls around Vinny. When I'm in the kitchen, he's in the kitchen. Well, Vinny, if you're watching, I guess I have a little bit of that because the sound of the styrofoam is making me crazy. Look at this. This is so stinking cute. All from the Dollar Tree. This one doesn't look like it's on right. Hold on, let's see if we can get that on right. Yep, now we're on right. Look at that. How sweet. All for $1. Hey guys, can you see everything that I'm doing here? I realized that the more I push down, the bigger the hole in the styrofoam got, and it makes it so much easier to store them. Like the cap goes deeper. You know what's funny is that the styrofoam smells like something from my childhood. I wonder what it is. Oh, this is like really perfect. Ta-da! Ta-da! Look at that. Oh, and I'm watching the movie. Oh, so sorry. Hold on. Let me shut that movie off. So anyways, look. I pushed it down and now the caps are in. Can you see the hole that the cap made? Look at that. Oh, loving it. Absolutely love it. And now it's decorated. Alright, this is the view from this angle. Look at how stinking cute that worked. Dollar Tree, Walmart, Tuesday morning, Michael's. Look at all this. So I took the acrylic block and we upcycled it. I'm sorry, that's Chancy Man. Alright, hope you enjoyed this. Give me a shout out, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, guys. I promise there are good things coming. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you real soon. Bye. So I'll give you a quick peek. This is where I put it on my desk. This is my desk that I do most of my stuff at. That's where you see me crafting most of the time. And there's my camera. And who could tell me what movie I'm watching? It's a Disney movie, I'll give you a hint. And it's my favorite. Maybe there'll be a prize involved in that. First person to comment that they know the movie's name will win. Alright, good luck everybody.